let's take a look at what's happening in the tropics. The weekend gets here and we're dealing with this. Messy weather maker, sloppy weather system. It's now potential tropical cyclone number 4. We're going to miss the brunt of this, but we could be dealing with a flooding issue. There is a flood watch in effect for Palm Beach County, south toward Miami and back toward the west coast of Florida. And some of that rainfall is already being working in during the day. We have more heavy rain off the coastline. Here's the track for this. Now, potential tropical cyclone means that it hasn't formed yet, but it has a very high chance of forming. And this is issued by the Hurricane Center, so they can put out the advisories, the watches and warnings, and we have some of those that I'll show you in a second. So by Tuesday, or I should say Sunday, this would be just after midnight Saturday. So before sunrise on Sunday, we're looking at it just to the west of Fort Myers, then just to the west of Tampa, Sunday 2 p.m., and then tracking up the East Coast after that on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And some models have it as a pretty significant storm off Cape Hatteras the middle of next week. For us, what does it mean? It means heavy bands of rainfall, these outer feeder bands of this developing storm, which will sweep through starting tomorrow. Well, we're already seeing some of it work in tonight, but the real brunt of it will be tomorrow night, and into Sunday. And I think the peak winds and rain will be Saturday night through at least Sunday afternoon. Monday, it begins to improve, but you can still see there's lots of rainfall around. Watches showing up in yellow, tropical storm watches and tropical storm warning extending through southwest Florida. Flood watch in effect for the areas in green here. Does not include the Treasure Coast, but it doesn't mean you're completely out of the woods. In fact, there's a large area of storms that's just off Vero and Sebastian now set to work in. Here are the rainfall totals that we're expecting, much higher on the west coast of Florida, 2 to 4 on the Treasure Coast, 3 to 5 around the lake, and about 4 to 5 across Palm Beach County. So this is really a Saturday, Sunday event. Tropical downpours, gusty winds, 25 to 35, pretty much all weekend long. And there is a severe thunderstorm threat too. There could be an isolated tornado pop up. That's something that we'll be watching closely. Look at the storms that are just off Vero now. This line of rain and storms set to work into Vero and Sebastian. This is what we're all going to be dealing with as we get into the weekend. Small craft advisory for boaters. It's going to be a mess out there Saturday and Sunday. The forecast tonight, showers and storms, rain squalls, 80 for an overnight low. Maybe a hint of sunshine tomorrow, but showers and storms again. Some, couple inches of rain, a very short period of time possible. Be careful. Do not drive through flooded streets. Sunday, we're still looking at an active weather pattern, and Monday too, before it starts to clear out.